Music on hold serves to fill the silence of a call queue or mask a call transfer in place of an ordinary ringing sound. You can determine your company's preferred theme by uploading your own music and also utilizing messages for things like important information, promos, and announcements. To view the current system's music on hold and upload some new audio, let's head over to Tools, Media, and Music on Hold. You'll be joining me here at the default page. Similar to the Sound Manager, we can group our music on hold so we've got a better reference point of what the audio pertains to. So we've got a default with a play volume of 50% and a random play order. So if we wanted to, we could add multiple different files and we could mix those in. So if you have a message on hold and then you have some music, we could add those files and specify a play order, or we could randomize the audio as well. For this example, we'll create a group for audio played back to callers while they're on hold in a sales queue. We'll name it Sales Queue. We'll leave the play volume and the order for now at their default. And again, at another point in time, if you want to insert a message in there and you want to continue the music after, you could do a sequence, and instead of random, you would put it in order. Chosen order there. Let's head back over to songs. We're going to upload a song. So we're going to add it to the group Sales Queue. We're going to choose from our local drive. We'll call it Music Intro and click Upload. Now I would repeat those steps to do our message and then the music again afterwards if we want to do that music, message, music, or some variation thereof. At any time, you can change the group, change the play orders. You can also edit the description and play it back, and that'll play from your browser. So, final note, as seen up here, remember that modifying the section requires restarting the PBX services, so you'll want to make any changes or additions after hours before clicking the Restart Software button. The Sound Manager is where system prompts and messages live on the system. These prompts are used all throughout the system where audible assistance is needed, such as IVR greetings, conference directions, voicemail actions and instructions, and the company directory, to name a few. We can manage these sound files by going to Tools, Media, and Sound Manager. Right over here. You can easily determine which sound files are used and where specifically by using the View filter. And the sound files are organized there by folder. So we've got conference, for example, IVR, voicemail, and so forth. The sound files are organized there by folder. You can also move a sound prompt to a different folder and, of course, create new ones. So you can check one off here. As long as it's not really a needed system prompt, you can reorganize by choosing a different folder, clicking there. And over here is where you'd create one, either a sound pack, a folder, or you can create an entirely different language as well. If at any time you'd like to have more information on a particular sound file, you can click the modify icon under the actions column, and you can see a description of what the audio prompt actually says, as well as play it back directly from the UI or even over the phone. So the language, the description, press 1 to store this sound, and then we've got the playback, play on the phone, and then we can modify that. At the top right, we can create a new sound by uploading it or recording it over the phone. We can also upload entire sound packs, again, and create new folders, languages. We're going to go ahead and click Create New Sound. give it a name. And just for fun, we're going to put it underneath the diagnostics folder. Now we can either click to upload this from the local drive, or first by clicking upload file, of course, then we can choose the local drive folder and file. If we want to record over the phone, we can do so here by either entering in our extension, or we can select it from the list. So for example, if I choose extension 200, and we're going to hit ring phone, and that should ring the D60 next to me here.
Please leave your message after the tone. When done, hang up or press the pound key.
This is a test for the Switchvox demo of recording sound prompts over the phone. Thank you. Go back and hit done. Successfully recorded my sound, and I can go ahead and hit save. And we can see here my demo sound is right over here. And I can either hit play sound, it'll download a copy to my hard drive so I can keep that on file, and I can also play it back, or I can just simply play it back over the phone at any point in time. Again, choosing the extension, dialing it in, or hitting it over here. Let's take a listen. This is a test for the Switchvox demo of recording sound prompts over the phone. Thank you. So that's a great start to understanding how the Sound Manager works, how to access prompts, and expand your PBX to accommodate more prompts in the future. Thanks for joining me. As always, I'll see you in the next one.